Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Today we will learn how to set boundaries and we will practice tapping. So repeat what I say and observe and do what I do. What boundaries sounds like? Here we go. I need some alone time right now to recharge, so I won't be able to join the event tonight. Please don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. I'd like to finish sharing my thoughts. I'm not comfortable discussing my personal finances with anyone outside my family. I need to prioritize my sleep, so I won't be available for late night phone calls. I appreciate your enthusiasm, but I don't want you to make decisions on my behalf without discussing it with me first. It's important to me that we keep our discussions respectful and avoid name calling or yelling. And I won't tolerate any form of physical aggression or violence in our relationship. I have a busy schedule, so I won't be able to take on any additional responsibilities right now. I prefer not to lend money to friends as it can complicate our relationship. I'm not comfortable sharing details about my past relationships. Let's focus on the present. I need some time to process this information before I can give you a response or feedback. I won't tolerate gossiping about others in our conversations. It's important to me to stay positive and respectful. I need you to respect my privacy and refrain from going through my personal belongings without my permission. I won't be able to meet up this weekend as I've already made plans with my family. I'd like to be notified in advance if you want to drop by my place, as I value having time to prepare for visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. And shake a little bit your hands and see you tomorrow in next episode. Have a lovely day.